Hi there, Dr. Mark Smith from Progressive Chiropractic, here with our first segment of the newsletter Nod. And so this is a segment in which I go a little bit more in depth into the message in our monthly newsletter. And this month it's all about probiotics, a topic that I'm very interested in, a topic that I'm sure you've heard about. And as it is with many supplements that come out, you might be wondering, okay, are probiotics just another supplement fad? Are they going to be gone in 5 years from now? How important is it that I take them? And so let me jump right into it. First by saying that in our bodies and on our bodies, we have about 100 trillion different microbes. Now, compare that to the fact that we have about 20 to 30 trillion red blood cells in our body. So when you think about that sheer number, the microbes, the bacteria on and in our body are as much a part of us as our own red blood cells. That's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. And the microbial flora in our body is often referred to as our forgotten organ. And rightly so, because when you don't have enough of the right bacteria and you don't have enough number of them, you get a condition called dysbiosis. And that's the wrong type and the wrong amount of bacteria in your guts. And that's very important because dysbiosis is associated with conditions like obesity, Crohn's, seasonal allergies, and allergies of all kind, really. That's a really big one. Celiac disease, even autism, type 2 diabetes, IBS. Your bacteria flora are all altered in these chronic states. And new studies even show that there may be an emotional link to the bacteria in your gut, and that the bacteria in your gut can even influence your thought and emotional patterns, which is huge. But again, it just shows the important link between your gut flora and your overall health. So as humans, we are genetically designed and evolved to have a certain kind, number, and type of bacteria in our guts. We developed with this ability to have a symbiotic relationship with the bacteria on and in our bodies. And now, in typical Western society, we are exposed to about 1/1,000,000th of the healthy bacteria that our ancestors were exposed to. And it's beginning to have long-term health effects on people, like allergies, like digestive issues. So things that decrease the normal gut flora in our bodies are things like the Western diet, in which we have a lot of food preservatives that kill healthy bacteria, a lot of inflammatory ingredients, chemicals, and whatnot. Antibiotics have a gigantic effect on decreasing and altering our gut flora, and it can actually take a long time to recover from a round of antibiotics. Alcohol kills healthy bacteria in our guts. Household cleaners, all of these things decrease our exposure and the health of our good gut flora. So the take-home message here is that probiotics are not a fad. They're here to stay, and actually I think that the prevalence of them, the importance of them, are only going to become more and more as a society we develop more and more of these chronic health issues. And the research just keeps stacking up as to the importance of probiotics in our diet. So take probiotics. The ones that we sell at the office are great, and I can tell you more about that in the future. Omega-3, vitamin D, and vegetables, of course, all work together to improve your gut health, the overall inflammation in the body, and your overall health. Thanks for listening. Talk to you again soon.